Let's get your AT&T Internet Air up and running. First, unbox your new gateway. Place it near a window, avoiding metal obstructions for the best signal. Plug it into a power outlet. The gateway will automatically power on, indicated by the LED lights. Blue signifies setup mode. This ensures optimal connectivity right from the start. The 2025 model is designed to be compact and user-friendly. Grab your smartphone or tablet and download the AT&T Internet app from your app store. Sign in using your AT&T account credentials or create one at at.com/internetair if you're new. In the app, select Set up New Device and scan the QR code on your gateway or manually enter the serial number. Follow the prompts to activate your SIM card. You might need a verification code sent to your phone or email. Finally, set up your custom Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password. Connect your devices. Run a speed test within the app to ensure everything's working perfectly. You can also use the app to optimize your connection using AI recommendations, such as antenna adjustments for better 6G reception.